In this video, I will show how to change language in Microsoft Excel. So click on File, then Options. Now here click on Language. So in the Office display language, in my case I have 3 languages. You can add your language from here. You can select that particular language and install. And once you install and once you successfully install, they will appear here. It will appear here. Select it and move. Select it and click on Set as Preferred. And also you can add language here. Now select and set as Preferred. Click on OK. So this way you can change language. Once this whole process will complete, exit and reopen your Excel. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.